Yeah. So today is Valentine's Day, and as Team Twezimbe, we are here at Freddy Wano Mulago.
Mulago
Cancer
Home Care.
Abalwadde babeera wano. So we are spending our Valentine's Day with them here to see what's up, what's going on, what we can do for them, what we can't do. So we are going to be taking you around. You see what your sister?
We are going to show them some love.
Who is it?
We're serious.
No, who is it?
Okay, Shafiq. We're serious. We're serious. Adoka nokobadde mulivu baba ogipise wennozeewo olitayiza mmanya bwali ofaanana mu kisiibo
akyali ku ssuubi
mu kisiibo enjala yakuluma kayima oliro mboba akyewa. I'm fine, how are you nyabo? Do you have a Valentine?
bakulaga kayima bamulaga ebintu zaranga akulaga ebintu original
Betty tugenda okubeera olunaku lwaleero, so we are going to be seeing you around as we take around. Tugenda bawa emmere, tugenda bawa ebyokunywa, ebyokulya.
Kasuku simwe mugendo bibawa abantu batuleetedde ffe tulobala kwogera bwogezi nabo emmere sigwagire
Brenda's Beauty World atuwadde amata. Haji
Engineer Muhammad Damba owa
Food Ambulance ejja
abasatu tulina
abasatu yatukoledde
executive kulya kufa
Leila alese fruits. Alice, my friend, she's called Alice Banks. Musamano negochali Musama tocha oba ogenze kusuubula nodda
wonye okufira esaira
South Africa
South
Africa oba ogenze mumulamu
mazima abana bakikuba
Tina wuno. Tina, please come. Kati ono omukyala ye wa Tina's Oven yalese cake gye tugenda osala olunaku olwaleero. So this is Tina from Tina's Oven, but guys, to make it chap tuleme kwonona nnyo budde. Producer jangu. So today is our producer's birthday.
Wow.
Yeah, and I ordered cake for you. Tina, just bring him his cake before it melts. We cut it here. No, we do that now. Yeah, we are going to gift you the cake. Whether you want to cut it here or not, then tugende kuchiddako. No, there is one I ordered for you. Yeah, me and Ruth. So you can bring this cake, we chop it, then we move on to the next item. Yeah, so yeah, that's like what's up.
Leila, tonkona nnyo bbeero ojja kumalako wuzi.
Bbeere kyakusiiga bbeere.
Tonkona nnyo byenda bya bbeere.
Abadde abuuza byenda bya bbeere. Yakunganyiza bbeere lye.
Alifunya wano kati alingonya.
Tunakakasa tutya. Tuyambe mukwano tulina amabanja. Nze nina n'amabanja sinnagasasula. Sirinagala siripa nefa. Sente nezimu. Sirirabangako.
Ojjukira ebisala by'amanga
anziokiza ajati wange.
Nabadde abuuza nti amazzi galiwa wano.
Amazzi gaki?
Omukulu anaabe. They come into Freddy tonaabye. And all these years Freddy doesn't pay.
Naye baba. Olwo you're going to shout.
So your cake.
Happy birthday.
This is the table.
Who said the table?
Put your hands at the carry.
My hands?
Yes.
Not mugongo.
No, thank you very much.
Temwalese kambe.
Happy birthday, dear Freddy. Happy birthday, dear Freddy.
Dear Freddy, happy birthday, dear Freddy. Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday.
Producer.
Happy birthday, dear Freddie.
Happy
Bring them all
birthday to
out.
you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Freddie. Kakembol. Oh, yeah. Deal all with cats. Abalwadde bajja wona.
Tina.
Freddie. Eno ye table.
There's a table.
There's a table. Baby, don't go to cake, mama. Come on.
See you at the finish line. See you at the finish line. So who is cutting with you? No one will cut.
Nobody is cutting with you. It's your birthday.
Everyone.
Chop it, chop it.
Lindako malaga choppinga bwotyo beera ng'agenda okufumita omuntu ekyambe kiwanike waggulu obeere ng'agenda okufumita omuntu.
Introduce. Aleme kuva mu bbanga ng'akwata bukwata.
1, 2, 3.
So, boss, katukomewo mu part 2. Later on, but she supplied us the cakes. Now we are in your care home, eh? Was this the care home?
Yes.
Sembera abantu bantu bamanyi kwogera nnyo tebaleegaana nga ffe. So this is Aroma, and this is Dr.
Mr.
Obote. Obote or Bore?
Obote.
Obote. Okay, so he's going to be taking us around. Yeah?
Yes.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
Lead us.
So guys, welcome
Yeah.
to Care Home, and normally, as one of our rules and regulations do as and don'ts, to avoid infections, we always make sure that where we're getting access to where these patients are sleeping, we remove our shoes, whatever we are putting, because we have been from other places and so we become infections. But yes, so that's why you see the slippers, those are the open shoes are there. But for the sake of, for now, we can walk like it with your excuse. Let's walk and take it to. And where you are seeing, this is accommodation facility for men. So we accommodate only men, but there are some other exceptionals where you'll have females here. Females, why? The male care patients who come to UCI, others have female caretakers. But if they are strong enough, if they can manage by themselves, they can be here. But there are others who need support, and you end up seeing the female caretakers here. But the person who sleep here, they are basically the male patients. And they are the smallest population we have in the care home. So we have a huge number of female cancer patients. And we have dedicated the rest of the facilities for the female caretakers. And we know on average we have around 33 male patients. This place is enough for them. So you are welcome, you can have a look. Have a look.
You can show them from here.
So this currently we are, and in near future we expect to have these double deckers. which we are mobilizing the resources from outside. We need the resources to put these double deckers, and as the hospital, other things we shall provide. We have mattresses which we give for free. We just need the double deckers and put. Up here we have the caretaker, the attendant of the patient to sleep. Down here we have the person to sleep. So this is where the patient are. And to be clear, we don't have children. We are accommodating here. This other little you are seeing has come with the mother. They're taking care of the father, so they cannot leave him at home alone. We don't have children who are sleeping here, and we can get in. Other side,
something which is good to notice. This is not this ordinary tent. These are called medical tents. Inside is cool, even in the hottest time of the day, because of its design. It's not just any ordinary tent. Well aerated. And that is why you see them even sleeping at this time. In any other tent.
And also to be clear, every tent we have here and the house, we have a system to help us, to support us on how we run the activity within the facility. So every tent has a chairperson, a temporary chairperson. We call them LCs, we call them leaders, whatever. So the leaders are temporary. And basically we get the caretakers of the person to help us issue with cleaning and some other few things. And when their time for going comes in, we identify another one. Then for them they go. It's not temporary. It's not in time limits. This was going to be here for 6 months or 1 year. They are just temporary. If you are today and they say you are staying here ends tomorrow, then today we begin to look for another person to take over. And it happens to every facility we have here. Then over here, it's just a set for them to rest and enjoy the place.
A communal shed.
So right here, you see a lot of activities taking place here. As the institute strengthen the activity within this care home, we provide water, which is for free. We have water points here, and then another water point there. And as you are aware that these are patients who are supposed to come from home originally, outpatients. They're supposed to come from home, but the nature of the treatment does not guarantee them to come all the way from Kabale, Kishoro, or somewhere from Moyo to come here every day. And in such a situation, they are expected to cook their own food. But when we receive donation, we give the donation to them according to their need. But they provide their own food. And the hospital has provided them with kitchen. Which kitchen is right over here. We have ovens and so forth within the kitchen. But you see this one, where they're cooking outside, the kitchen is the number of the people who are cooking right now is overwhelming. So that's why this one I provided. Their charcoal stove, they're cooking from outside. Otherwise, the kitchen has around 12 cooking points where they cook. But when they're cooking, we don't time. You first wait, you'll come later. No, you can choose to cook at any time. That's why they ended up being outside. Addition to those ones who are cooking inside here. You see all the stoves are all occupied. You can see here. So the number is so, and in this kitchen, they always maintain to keep it clean. When they come, you leave your things here, then you go get in and cook your food. When you finish to carry it, then you go and serve. You leave space for other people. So this is our kitchen. And additionally, we have sockets where they are charging their phones, which are here. And so they don't go outside to pay money to charge phone. And the kitchen has bulbs at night, or when it is dark, they put the light on. And next here, the facility that accommodates females.
So Amanda, no? The other side. No, wrong. Can we get back that side for purposes of time? We require that side. This is a similar type, right? We can get back to the side.
I think we can go that side. Okay. So this is where the females are sleeping, and we see that we have increased number of deckers here. We have more deckers here, but with the time, every place here will have all these facilities. So we can get in and
Who is?
so, and we also have washing points for them, washing the utensil and so as you see from in front of the kitchen. We also have the facility here behind the kitchen. This is their water prop where they wash the utensils and the other things. It's over here. So I think we can get up and look at what's in the house. So it is a tiresome journey you'll bear with us. With this climbing and the sloping, and please you bear with us. Over here, this is the temporary office for the staff who are working here. We have 2 medical social workers who oversee the daily activities that are taking place here. Me, sometimes I don't come here on a daily basis. I could come and support them and so forth. As said earlier, we have these two amazing ladies. We have Stella here, we have Namayanda here. They run the activities of this care home, and this is normally where we sit and carry out the administrative activities. And sometimes some of the donations that we cannot give them immediately, like the way you have come with food and so forth, and there are some other items which may not give immediately. We all act as our store as well. And as you said, some of these items we give them according to the needs. Yes. So if you had koso or rice here, we will not give it there and then. We keep it because you see the needs vary from individual to individual. And those ones who don't have, they normally come to the office and tell us whatever is missing and we give them, so that we ensure we sustain this place and everyone benefits. But there are some other items we cannot surely say, don't benefit, especially the food, the hot food which you are going to enjoy. So everyone has to eat the food. The watermelon and what, everyone has to eat the watermelon.
Even sometimes if the food is in plenty, they make a line and everyone gets on some days.
And as you see here, this is the house. This is the house which accommodates the biggest number of the people. We have average of 105, sometimes 110 people who are sleeping here. And we expect in the future, if we get all those double deckers, it can even accommodate more than that. Because yes, right now we don't have the deckers in this house. As you are going to see, we can walk in and see.
And we call upon the public, well-wishers, people who are willing to come and support us with more deckers for our patients.
Yeah, next time we are going to bring them to
You'll excuse us. Can you allow us?
No, it's okay. You enter because we will disturb you.
Oh, you can just take from here.
Okay, you're most welcome.
So, this place, which is consumed by one person, can be consumed by
Many.
2 people. Then, so this is the place. Yes. So it has so many rooms in the other side and so forth. Even outside there are rooms. So currently this is where we are.
So there are different rooms where they sleep. This is for women. They sleep here with their caretakers. That is why we are calling upon the public to get daycares for them, those who are willing to support us in this journey.
So you've seen that tour around today, and today being Valentine's Day. So these are our cakes from Tina's oven. We are going to be enjoying them with some of these people here. Yeah. Katugigulewo wano. Tetulina nnyo bingi bye twazze nabyo, naye regardless we are here. Regardless we are here. Kati nga bwe babannyonnyodde, this is a home. It's not the institute, it is the home. Abali wano be babeera balinze bali mu review biki ebyo abatasobola ndowooza kubeera nga baddeyo mangu, naye nga twagala okwebaza Tina owa Tina's Oven. Thank you for the cake. But you're located where?
We're in Chaliwajala, Chira Road, opposite Matters Mall. Yeah. And you can get us on 0776 178 501. 0776 178 501 and 0751 178 501.
Food ambulance has broken down Wadi, but they are working on making sure that food gets to us here. Naye tulinawo ebintu ebirala bye tulina wano. Tulina watermelons nga bw'oziraba. We also have got carrots. Yep, these are carrots. Those are carrots. These are ganomenvu. Nawo gali wano zino watermelon, zino niimu, ziri carrot. Then of course omukyalo oli Alice ne sister we ne Leila Zarwango they were sponsoring some of these things. Then gana amata nga bw'ogalaba wansaawo gali powered by Brenda's Beauty World. Omukyala Brenda Mukisa Mugagga nkweyanziza nnyo weebale yatuwadde box ezo ez'amata okusobola okulaba nti tuyamba ku bantu bano. Ebintu byetuze nabyo si bingi nnyo, but we think it can try to make a difference. This visit we are doing is a compassionate visit. Bantu bano okubalaga nti tukyali nabo nga bwe balaba wano abantu abasinga abali wano bono bakutte bulungi wano wonna weewati bantu balwadde. They are trying to recover, to get back on their feet, and they need lots of these things. So gwe naawe ali eyo ng'olina ky'osobola okuyamba abantu bano, oluusi kiyinza obutakwetaagisa kujja ffe tuzze nga Media House, actually nga Spark TV twezimbe ne Cheza. Si Spark TV yonna naye program twezimbe n'abacheza bwe tuzze wano okulaba nti era tuli live ku Spark TV program Cheza osobola otugoberera, but naawe gy'oli eyo osobola okubeera nga otuuka wano n'obuuza mwami Obote n'abakulu bano nga bwe bali wano, n'osobola obatuukako n'obawaayo contribution gy'osobola okubeera nti obawa abantu bano bayamba. Abantu abasinga wano abali wano in actual sense tebayina. So abasinga babeera bava wala sobola okujja wano okufuna obuyambi buno because they can't be coming every month or every week or every 2 weeks for review, so they give them this place. Bangambye balinga balina we babeera ku lubalaza Cancer Institute, government nesalawo ne bakolera ka makeshift kano okusobola okubeera nti ate bagira babeera wano. So abamu nti basumbuwa distance bava wala, abalala obusobozi bw'okwera nga bajja for review all those times bayinza okuba tebakiina. So that's like WhatsApp kyekiri wano. So for anything you have, you can always reach out to these people or you can contact me nenkuwa enamba y'abano abantu. Saagala nnyo okukwata ssente z'abantu. Nze mbeera nja kusobola okutuusa ku Freddy, mwami yo Freddy ne Katmos we bacoordinatinze project eno. Osobola okubeera ng'olaba osobola okuba ng'obayamba oba wakati nikoyina ne kasobola okuba nga mpaka batuukako. Kim Sogojje omaze cheza? Ono musajja wange Kim GK musajja wa cheza. Nina gye nali eyo ngenda olaba essimu yeevuga nengana omuntu asobola kubeerako wantu n'abeerako bwomwawo asijja kubuulira kubanga omugaati tukyaguliko
nkyaguliko nakati
okyaguliko naye nange nagamba sikuvaako okitegeera onoba oli wano nga nange ndi wano
yagada ate tetwegwako ku Valentine eno nga nfuluma mu kageti akatono bweti nga naawe opaakinga nga naawe okuba eŋŋombe
ojja kumbuulirako bubuulizi tewayo ebyagenda bimaze tandikirawo. So naye nga omusajja ono tuzze nayo tubadde live ku cheza.com. Webale nnyo ebintu byebisobola okujja okuyamba abantu bano tebali bulungi.
Abantu bandibadde bakimanya nti okola check-ups kyandibadde part of our life. Ogenda newekeberako n'omanya obulamu bwe buyimiridde kubanga okukeera obukezi ku makyango owulira oli fine tekimala ekitegeeza nti oli steady. So ebiseera ebisinga olina okwesitula n'ojja mu bifo nga bino batugambye okukebera kansa kwabwe Mulago wano ojja ne bakukebera n'omanya nga bukyali kuba bumanya nga bukyali osobola okufuna omukisa ogusaivingi kitegeera. So the earlier the better. Gwali eyo wandibadde ojja ku Cancer Institute ne bakukebera.
So now we are left with emmere ejja omusajja no naffe tetunnalya naye emmotoka efiiridde wansi awo naye n'oluguudo lwambuka eno waggulu abantu batamanyi eno care home oyitira ddala ku Cancer Institute wali n'osigala ng'oyambuka simanyi n'oluguudo gye luggukiramu naye osigala lugukiramu ku paramedical osigala oyambuka tozungira ku Cancer Institute ogiyitako n'osigala ng'ojja oluguudo bali mu ddukola baluyiye koolaasi kale bali mu kola buno obuntu bw'okusaidi omanyi bayinza ozunga bano bw'otobagambako bajja bapa bante ate wetwalaba Kasuku Live nga si weewano care home
osembera wera olabawo zi tent nyingi ez'enjawulo ziri tent state of the art.
Ziri wano beetagayo n'emifaliso nno beetagayo emifaliso emikeeka ndowooza kati bali obalaawo we bali awo emifaliso emikeeka ebintu bingi byetunenya gavumenti naye gavumenti egezezzaako
bwetuukako wano omanya nti bagezezzaako kuba omuntu abasobola okufuna check-up ya bwereere ne bakujjanjabira bwereere n'ofuna eddagala lya bwereere gavumenti eba ekoze omulimu.
Kali ka woteeri kikalyo
kalirudawo
Hilton Garden Inn kalaba waggulu awo kali omuteekako omwana ate ku ddinisa n'omugamba kwata ku ddinisa olaawo mbuulire ekiri ebweru awo
kunnyonnyola bulungi kyalengera ebweru.
So kati tulina food ambulance naye ndowooza tugenda kuba wangi mu dakiika 2 bagendako batuuse emmotoka esimbudde eri mu gireeta wano breakdown kati paati gye tuddako balaka nga tuli emmere n'okusala cake then naffe tugende tusanga ebyana oli mufumbo okimu
siri mufumbo
ku
kirabo kya Valentine sinayo kyana kiyinza kuvayo ne kinkireyiminga kigamba nti ono muntu wange
nze waffe tuli mu lusirika buli omwali wage tuli mu lusirika buli omwali
ebintu byolusirika omuntu akunyegera ddala
omuntu omunyega n'omuleka
n'embeera eri tebaawo
tewaba kwegatta ayagala yasaba munne
mubulumazeemu bbanga ki
paka tugenda mu wiiki 2
bambi musirise kati gwe bw'oyagala munno n'omusaba ye n'agaana okolaki
sabbuuni ate mu maaso ge
kimulume soli musajja mwana
ayagala kumbuuzaako Kimu jangu mwana nagembo ayagala kutubuuzaako jangu tekirina bizibu olina Valentine
olina Valentine
oyogere ebintu ebinako byewaka
kuba omuntu ajja kubalyawo nga kavidiyo kamusanze
buli gwensembera bagamba wabadde ne Kasuku omusajja oyo muyaye nnyo n'omubuuza nakuyayaki
bannaye Kasuku oli funny.
So how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Omwana buli wowulira ng'ayogera ekigambo ekyo
You're funny.
Ng'omanya nti you eat.
Era nakugambe nti oli funny. Chances zo ziri wano.
Ne mmanya nti essaawa yonna. So how are you?
I'm good.
You work here?
Yes.
Oh, you're not Stella?
Stella.
Kuruthum. Oh. Como zate ila? Kuruthum, Mwana wa muzaa. Muzata, Mama wategeera ebamukuba embaga. Mukyakayana.
Ku mbaga wagendayo?
Ku mbaga? Eri eyakunyisa. Kyakaabira taata wange.
Temwagenda ku mbaga?
Oza olaba. Nefa emikolo gisigala gigenda mu maaso. Naye nga mwebale nnyo byonna.
Kale ssebo nammwe mwebala okujja tuleeterako ebyokulya ne tulabako. N'okufaayo ku balwadde baffe.
Tina
mwebale kutwaniriza.
Kubiriza abantu batuleetere ku bitanda. N'ebirala tukwataganire wamu ne gavumenti supportinga abalwadde.
Abalwadde bambi bo mubasupportinze sofa. Keya yongiraba abalwadde bafiibwako wano wenebaliza gavumenti munnaye. Tetutera kusiima gavumenti yaffe mu generation eno naye munnaye ekintu nga kino. It's something very good. It's a very good invention.
Yes, we call upon everyone to come in and support so that we live a healthy life. And for people to come and check the screen and be aware of whatever they are going
They are going through.
Yeah.
Definitely. Kale Kuruthum Kasuku atusa agitulekedde interview.
Yes. So come with me. Katuliko food ambulances. Food ambulance eno yegabira abantu emmere. Haji oyo. Engineer Damba. Yoyo kolabaawo engineer Damba.
Mumanyi nkuzenzanya ne mutabani we.
Emmotoka ebajaminzeeko naye nga akola food ambulance. Omwami ono food ambulance yavu. Haji soko gyetuogereko n'abantu. Food ambulance eno yagitandika mu lockdown ng'agenda agabira abantu emmere. Afumba emmere eno ya bwereere ne bagigabira abantu ku bwereere. Buli kika kyonna ekyemmere bwekiri. Naye tufunyemuko ku buzibu butono ngera bwe ndimanyi mashini. Naye Allah atusaasidde ntusobola okutuuka. Ekkubo nga balikola. Oba ekubye ka hamsi neefunamu obuzibu naye tutuuse. Tumaze ne tugguka. N'abantu kati babeere basanyufu. Tugenda kulya. Batugambye batukoleddeko executive. So yeyo gyolaba ejja ayina ambulance yeyo is a food ambulance. Emmere agaba ya bwereere. So tugenda kuba tuyamba yabayita banaku abantu bawana manja abayita banaku naye obwo bulwadde bwe baliko tebuliiko nti obaggo wakola ki. Ebintu bya kansa obiraba. Ebintu bya kansa tebiriiko nti wakola ki. Okera bukeezi ng'akuluma nga bagamba omulina. So yeyo food ambulance. Yongera mu maaso ejjire ddala. Yongera kale mu maaso awo So you know, free feeding in hospitals, food ambulance. Emmere egenda fubo tokamu. Naye bali awo basembeddemu ku mulyango.
Erina ne tekinologiya gwe twagiyimbira mu biseera bya lockdown. Iri wali esobola okuyisetta gundi sanitizer. Esobola okumwefukira yekukabe.
Ne spray nga buli wamu.
Zijeko. Zinamu wano jjako wano.
Awo wonna oyo sanitizer. Eno piki enkadde yaani bajja gitomera ate atugambe munsasule piki. Tugenda lya mmere. Soko tulageko wano munda wano. Kungula eri jangu olabe tugenda lya mmere. Sobweti mwefaanana wano ndowooza ogiraba.
Fumbiro liyerere.
Fumbiro ekola ne instant cooking. Kasibuubi.
Bagiyita food ambulance.
Byonna byakulya byonna mmere. Byonna byakulya. No,
kati bw'omuzze mutudde mabega. So byebyo nno kati emmere ketandike. Kayima onoosavinga. Wano tejja vaawo. Bannaye tuleme kubonaabona nnyo. Abantu bano emmere babadde tebagiyina kasita tutuuse. Baleme kwefuula nga bwe baagi odali. Kati tubakuba ku mukolo ng'oli ya odali. Emmere egenda ttambula kati sooka oggyeko beetereze okwate nga basaavinga.
Hey, Freddy, we're waiting for you. Give us a sala. Hey.
Yes, darling. Good. Yeah.
Yonna yonna mbikule pako. Buli okusemba yukuleke buli goloba. Yeah, we are more than ready.
Bache, him. Bache. Kaima, we are ready.
Say yeta go kwatirako.
We are going to all receive. Okay. We are going to get food. That's why I said I need your hand wash and your stomach. We have our plate, we have our everything. Okay? So we need to let's be there. We call you. All of you are going to receive food. Let's get back. Let's get back.
So go wait up.
Yes, so say what?
Akati mama afuna yayita wano toyina ogenda kuyita siku
Soko weta to ya.
Wata bulungi bambi mukwano. Wata n'emikono ebiri. Aha, bwoti. Jangu.
Come here and join.
Aha. Here. Kendo na balalawo.
Hey, come here. We are going to make a
Jangu obujja naawe.
That is the mission. That is definitely the mission.
want to cut this cake and
boss.
enjoy it all.
Okay, what camera are you?
Come and we enjoy this cake.
What's in here?
The cake is here. Come. Mama, come and
Firework. Yeah. So come and hold. Nance, Sembera. Tina hold, Madam. Yeah. So from all of us to all of you here at the care home, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank
you. Yeah. So someone should come and cut. Baba we muri esibe kiri mwe balabirira abalwadde n'abalwadde katubasabire muwone kale keki yo mulye tunaddingana